Hello, I'm going to look at your work, Amber, and I already like it. Jada. Okay, so you both did the phonotech. I like this blue texture. This font looks like it's distorted. You have to hold down the shift key when scaling so that doesn't happen. Now, then you also want to be consistent with capitalization. Get innovative with the new. All right. I kind of like what you're doing though, how you've distorted GT5, because I like that font. I like the 5, it's unusual. But the distortion of get innovative with the new doesn't look deliberate. But otherwise, see what else you can do here. Maybe you can put, the name of the product on the spine. Is this so this is the front, this is the back. What else might be on the back? Like a barcode, contact information. You probably would have the logo on there again. Anyway, you have the right idea. Just be careful about distortion. Again, this hand looks narrow compared to this picture. This looks a little more narrow. I don't know if it is or not. But definitely take the photo in and to Photoshop and adjust the brightness contrast. Okay, alternatively, I like, Amber, that you have not used the phone. It's different. This is your packaging that you're going to have like a transparent or a cutout so you can actually see the phone. I recommend that you, get the phone in there and make it look real. It's very sleek design though. In real life, I think it would be super attractive. I'm wondering who your audience is though. I'm guessing seniors because the colors are there's a lot of contrast, but it's not screaming trendy. So, for the milestones, see what else you can put on the back. If it's actually the back of packaging, you might have a barcode. You can get those free on the internet. You might have some legal disclaimer nonsense. And you might have repeated whatever this is. So just think about what can I do to make this look more real? All right, let me know if you have any questions.